Okay, guys, we're at Liberty Forge again, and we're gonna see if we can catch anything today. Brought 2 rods today. Here's my friend Jaden and my brother Isaiah. Let's see how it is. Okay, guys, I'm gonna set you up right here. I'm gonna go get my rods. Okay, guys, back with the first rod I'm gonna use. And first, I'm using the red crank that I was using last video. For my last video at Liberty Forge. Let's hope we don't get kicked out because there is a lot more catfish today. My friend Dean is on his way. Okay, guys, we're walking down, seeing if there's anything bitten down. Okay, guys, made it to the next boat. As you can see, we are closer to the feeder. Let's see if anything. Straight in here. Hello. Gonna keep using the lipless tank before I switch. As I was trailing it in the water to move to the next spot, got the. Okay, as you guys could see, that fish I just caught. It wasn't recording, just caught it when I was walking to my next spot and trailing. But let's see if I can catch one. And yeah. Still gonna use the red claw before I switch out. What the hell was that? Cast it alongside the bank. But I'm just trying to catch something. Gonna cast it close. One. my phone. Second mess of that. This is what it looks like. Second one of the. So guys, we're back at it again today. But this time, we were at the Yellow Breeches. Same spot as last time. Let's see if anything plays in today. First pass. Just gonna let it sit out there like yesterday. Gonna make my drag rooster like I had it yesterday.
Did you ever go off that rope swing? Mm. How?
There used to be one at the little creek by the greenhouses.
I think I remember you saying that.
It wasn't really
I
place
think
for
I'm
the
on.
swing.
There's something in that tree. Oh, you got one.
Black bass?
Black bass? Got a rocky?
Yep.
First rock bass in my life that I know of.
He's gonna rock you first.
That's what it looks like, guys.
Yeah, picture of it.
Okay, guys. So today we caught 6 fish. Only recorded 3 of them. 2 largemouth, 1 rock bass, 1 sunfish, and 2 catfish. Didn't get pictures of the catfish, got pictures of everything else. And it was a pretty good day. But gonna keep recording, and then we're gonna go next. So till next time.